God, lady.
You know, get away with a little bit more. We must still follow the rules of the Canadian
This
continent.
guy's like still swerving all the way to the left.
Two boy bands that I can think of.
That's a pretty shitty parking job. And he can't signal. What a bad driver. Okay, Range Rover, you obviously cannot read the obvious sign saying that you can't park there. You can't read them either. Mitsubishi.
That's waxed. There's a joke in there about a waxed cat. I'm gonna leave it. I'm leaving it. Barb on the north side says when we were kids, we were having a bonfire and roasting marshmallows. And my cousin's marshmallow caught on fire, so she shook her roasting stick really hard to get the fire out. The molten marshmallow flew off and landed in my sister's waist-length hair. Had to be cut. Go ahead, Belinda.
Mine was a bat in my hair. We were camping and then taking a walk.
Why so serious?
You still have a red light. Oh, great planning ahead there.
And my friend kicked her foot up, and her toe went right into my mouth. She had just put toe jam on. Ugh! Like, the succulent? Mixed with foot.
This motorcyclist is a bit of a douche.
It's a lifetime from the 330s.
Oh,
Their
wow.
next step begins
You're an
with
idiot.
confidence at Bedrock Homes.
Kokanee or Bud for $46.95. Treat him to 12-year-old Glenlivet Scotch for $36.95.
Well then,
or surprise him
that
with
was
a Liquor
interesting.
Depot gift card and let him pick. Do it for Dad. Liquor Depot.
Send anonymous messages to a person that runs a page. And from there, they get to publish stuff on their page.
Oh my god, that was
anonymously,
way too
and
close.
people can comment on it. So if you have something that's making...
What are you doing? Are you watching where you're going?
We could have a little fun.
senile old bastard. That's a stop sign.
Exhilaration starts with the Lexus 3-day summer event. Right now, take advantage of 1.0% off lease
Well,
and
you can
finance
signal any
rates
later
for
if
rates
you
as
try.
low as 0.9%.
Beatable prices and incredible financing as other brake stores, but with a more one-on-one experience. The Brake Mattress Store carries our largest selection.
And the motorcyclist made a last-second decision.
Your best sleep guaranteed. Stop by this weekend for our 96-hour sale and get up to 55%
And he
off
ran the
select
right on red.
mattresses. The Brake Mattress Store. Visit
Well, that's more of a
one our
scooter,
7
actually,
locations
but
across
whatever.
Edmonton and surrounding area.
Oh, really, dude? You're lucky I didn't speed up quickly. What the hell? He's just speeding past everybody.
On the radio? You should see what we say on Twitter.
Oh! You can't plan ahead. And now you're backing up. Nice blinker. Ah, your arrow's over, buddy. Just totally cut those people off. Okay, you definitely ran the red light. Oh no, they have a green arrow. What's going on with this lowrider? What's this person doing? That's why I wouldn't try to left turn onto this road.
Yeah, okay, I don't have kids now, family, so I can't really validate how true this study is. But if you have some, feel free to chip in.
Look at this person. Good thing there's nobody coming the other way, because he's blocking the entire
an interesting new
roadway.
study out of the U.S. Before we get.
Guy, wake up. Your light's green. Why is this guy stopped in the road? Oh my god. What an idiot. I guess he hasn't figured out which way you push your blinker to signal left either. That is a really shitty job of parking.
Heartbroken. I still feel bad for her about 5 years later. Well, who do you feel bad for, the sister or the mom?
Because you're so preoccupied. Why you think that stranger's gonna
You went straight from a right turn only lane.
if you come a little closer.
Someone's got little weenie syndrome.
Listen, it's impossible to keep track of kids all the time now, family, so hence the...
And you almost ran the red light, you fucking moron! Don't rear-end me! Jesus Christ.
Pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy.
Why are you stopping?
Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. Beautiful, and it's easy to see. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be.
You suck at planning ahead. Wow, you are royally stupid. You're even dumber! The guy behind me is signaling right. What the fuck is that guy behind me doing? What are you doing?
Job. So she's putting up with the bow chicka wow wow, the emotions, just to get the season NHL tickets, which yes, it's shallow. I'm not gonna argue that, but I want to focus more on the job.
God.
You don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? I turn to you. You all I see. I love the master with two heads and one heart.
That person there? He should not have been crossing.
You all I see. I love the master with
What the fuck is going on here?
Some people say we need a filter.
Well, yeah, obviously an
Is there an
accident.
app for that? Edmonton's social network.
What's going on here? Awesome. Better move. I ran over a bird. You know what? I can't even consider you a bad driver because you're not doing anything wrong. I just think it's funny.